case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1976, the United States District Court for the District of Massachusetts heard the case of Kozlowski v. Sears, Roebuck and Company, which centered on the principle that parties involved in a lawsuit must provide relevant documents and materials to the other party during the discovery process, regardless of difficulty or cost, as long as the requested materials fall within the scope of discovery. The plaintiff in the case sued the defendant, Sears, Roebuck and Company, for manufacturing defective children's pajamas, which caused severe burns to a child in Royal Oak, Michigan. The plaintiff requested documents related to similar complaints, but the defendant refused to comply with the court's order. As a result, the court entered a default judgment against the defendant. The defendant claimed that they could not locate the requested documents due to an inadequate filing system. However, the court found that the defendant had willfully failed to comply with a previous discovery order and thus entered a default judgment against them on the issue of liability. The defendant filed a motion to remove the default judgment, but the court denied it because they had not fulfilled the condition of full compliance with the court's earlier discovery order. The court determined that the defendant's evident lack of diligence, indifference, and deliberate failure to comply with discovery rules warranted the default judgment against them, which the court ultimately upheld.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.